crowd back in Durban who did not want to be a part of Shaka. Because I remember we just be a group of gents watching Shaka season 1, we'd be like, how am I not in that? Because everybody wanted to be a part of it. They were just passing by. They just wanted to be there because it was such an amazing work. And for it to finally manifest, I was so grateful for it. And as Amanda said, also, it was a offensive moment, you know, where you're like, everything you go through in your life has a purpose, and it is to lead you to wherever you're supposed to be at the time. And just remembering, derailing a little, I was doing a theater show which was directed by and produced by Sikhunyana, which traveled a lot. And one of the things he said was, whatever that happens in your life, don't just go through it for the sake of going through it. Capture it, and it use a term download. Whatever you're going through it, download it into your system, carry it with you, let it be in your DNA. And fast forward to last year when we were shooting, all of the downloading came to be quite very resourceful for me. And I'm so very grateful. And on my first day, of course, I was welcomed by Sikhunyana and the great Ndwandwe, which were very amazing to work with. And it is indeed a very spiritual show, and you can't just be there for the sake of being there. I remember one of the days, Sikhunyana had asked one of the drivers to fetch her also when he came to fetch me, and she just wanted to enlighten me of how spiritual the show is. So the drive from her place to said, she was just telling me how spiritual the show is, and I'm not just there because I'm smart or because I deserve it or because I'm the world's most amazing performer. It's what she said. Don't think that way. That's what she was saying. But she said, yeah, that I'm there because it's because of God. It's because of it has nothing to do with talent, but everything to do with purpose and destiny. So I was very grateful for that, and also performing alongside a good wise man, a fellow Durbanite. So it was more like home, where he assured me of certain moments. He was like, no, you did well, don't worry about it, trust the process. Working alongside also Zamani, shooting as brothers, and